Here's my potatoes. It's looking a bit sad. Let's hope there is anything in it. Let's have a look. Doesn't look like it. It's too much rain. Yeah. Nope. One. Wow. Oh, hang on. Oh, mini ones. He is rotten. See? Moldy and rotten. It's too much rain. It's not looking good. Tiny ones. Yeah. Let's flip it over. A few more, but it's see another one rotten. It's sad. Wow. One more here. I think maybe there's a few more, but I think that's all we have. See, it's rotten as well. See, we had so much rain here. That's not looking good. I think that's all we have. But I think these ones are looking way better. So, and that's probably ready in a few weeks.